Montreal. I spent a week here before flying to Costa Rica, and I was very glad to come back here because I was actually born here. Now, since I was here visiting family, I didn't get to see all the things there are to see in Montreal, but I still thought I would show you some of the beauties that Montreal has to offer. So here we go. Here we are at the foot of the Montreal. Now every Sunday here something magical happens. People get together, they play the drums and they smoke weed. It's so amazing. I'll let you see what I mean. Here at the foot of the Montreal, there's a huge park where you can do pretty much whatever you want, and every Sunday people gather with styrofoam swords to, well,